welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to sit here with you today because a huge MYTHERESA sale order finally arrived. I had so many cute shoes on my wish list and I ordered 4 pairs of new shoes because they added an extra 20% off of the sale price and I made such a good deal, and yeah, I'm gonna show the 4 pairs of shoes to you now. So let's open the first box. Here you can see the MYTHERESA box. They are always so pretty and I can never throw them away. And here is the first pair of new shoes. As you can see, they are by Nicolas Kirkwood, and I love this brand for shoes so much because they are always so comfortable. I hope that these will be comfortable as well. Here's the dust bag. And here are my new shoes. As you can see, I bought high heels with a block heel, and I think that these will be very comfortable, at least I hope so. But I'm gonna try them on with you later. I'm gonna unbox all pairs of shoes now and try them on later and tell you what I think of them. So these are the first ones. So let's open the second box from MYTHERESA. And in here are 3 pairs of shoes. The first pair is from Dolce&Gabbana. And here's like a note, thank you for your order. Dust bag, black as well. And here is the second pair I bought. As you can see, these are flats and they are navy, and I love navy so much. It's my favorite color ever, and I hope that these will fit me because I love them so much. How cute does the crystal look? Ah, I love it. And the third pair is from MiuMiu, as you can see. Are sneakers, and I love these as well. As you can see, they are navy again with MiuMiu written all over in white, and they look so cute. I hope that these will be comfortable, but because I actually already own MiuMiu sneakers and they are so uncomfortable, so I hope that these will be more comfortable. But they seem quite nice from the fabric, so let's try them on later. I'm gonna open the last pair now. Let's put this away. As you can see, MiuMiu again, and these were by far the favorite pair from all the shoes I ordered, and I hope that these will be comfortable because they look so beautiful. And these are flats again, and they're open in the back, but look at the crystal. How beautiful are these? I love them so much. So, wow. Oh, I hope that these will be comfortable. But actually MiuMiu flats are always so comfortable for me, so I think that these will fit as well. So yeah, let's try all the shoes on together. trying them all on now. I'm finally back and can tell you what I think about each shoe and if they're comfortable or not, and if I'll keep them or return them. So let's start with the first shoe I unboxed. That was the Nicolas Kirkwood heel, and I actually think these are so comfortable. I love the block heel, and these will be the perfect shoe for going out, and I'll definitely take them with me to my trip to America as well, because we are going to Omnia at the Las Vegas Caesars Palace, and I think that these will be perfect for dancing the night away. And the second pair, unfortunately, the Dolce&Gabbana flats I have to return because here they are so big and my feet are quite small. I have 37 and I think I would need them in a size 36 actually, because other Dolce&Gabbana shoes I have in 36 as well, but I still kind of feel that these would be here too big, so unfortunately these will go back to MYTHERESA, even though I love the colors so much. The third pair, the MiuMius, I'll definitely keep as well. I think these look so cute, and paired with white jeans and just a blue shirt like I wear today, these will be so perfect, and they're actually much more comfortable than my other MiuMiu sneakers, because my others have glitter all over, and I think that's why they are so uncomfortable. So yeah, these will stay with me as well. And the last pair, and my favorite of all the others, I will definitely keep those. I think these are a work of art and they are so comfortable, like all MiuMiu flats. It's patent, but it's actually really comfortable. So yeah, I love these so much and I think I will wear this loads. So yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I hope to see you soon again for more luxury videos. Bye!